Want to use Taskade for project management, note-taking, AI workflows, or team collaboration? Before you can start organizing your work, you'll need to create a Taskade account. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a Taskade account in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to the official Taskade website. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign Up or Get Started for Free button to begin. Next, choose how you'd like to create your account. You can usually sign up with your email address or use an existing Google or Apple account for a quicker registration process. If you're signing up with email, enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Then submit the registration form to continue. Taskade may send a verification email to confirm your account. Open your inbox, find the email from Taskade, and click the verification link. This activates your new account. After signing in, you'll be asked to set up your workspace. You can choose a workspace name, invite teammates if you'd like, or skip invitations and continue on your own. You can always invite others later. Once the setup is complete, you'll arrive at the Taskade dashboard. From here, you can create projects, organize tasks, generate AI workflows, collaborate with your team, and customize your workspace. And that's how to create a Taskade account in 2026. With your account ready, you can begin organizing projects, collaborating with your team, and taking advantage of Taskade's powerful productivity and AI features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.